The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2023 Toyota Tundra standard bed, so about 6.5 foot. We've just installed the Yakima OverHaul HD bed rack system. This is a 2-bar system for the bed, although this customer did opt for a 3rd bar on the cab. We'll talk more about that in a second. But these are adjustable towers, 68-inch long load bars, overhaul towers which come in a set of 4, and bed track kit 1, which allows this system to mount to the Toyota Tundra factory in-bed track system. So overall, you have a weight carrying capacity of 500 pounds, evenly distributed. Crossbars in the bed can be spread up to 48.5 inches center to center. Bottle openers and tie downs included pretty much everywhere on the rack, and anti-theft bolts for all the exposed hardware. So the front bar is a matching HD load bar connecting with the baseline tower set of 2 and base clip set 204 for the front position. If you wanted that front bar further back on the cab, it would need to be a different clip set. So anyways, just a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more pictures, details, or to purchase any of this, click the link in the description below. And that's gonna be it for this one, but like always, thanks for watching.